What if I tell you that there is a one tool called BountyBot, which can replace your whole bug bounty hunting process from the starting recon to last ending the reports? In this video, we are going to talk about BountyBot, which is built by me using the Claude code. And the best part of this BountyBot is it's a completely free. You can run your own AI local models to use that. Meet Meet BountyBot. BountyBot is an automated bug hunting tool designed to help you find vulnerabilities faster, more efficient, with less manual effort. Okay, quickly I want to explain you how this exactly BountyBot works. Okay, here you can see what is the difference between traditional scanner and BountyBot is that it is a linear. We have to use the all the scanners and all. Okay, here AI makes the decisions. Here we have dump rules are present, but here AI is going to all the here AI is going to make the decisions in real time. Here you can see one tool at a time in a traditional scanner. You can see here 80 plus agents are there that will run simultaneously. Okay, the next one, manual reporting. Okay, here we generate the auto generated manual report. Okay, that is to example of bug crowd and also hacker one reports. Okay, here missed chain bugs, but here chaining bugs all the findings will be chained. Okay, how exactly that will relate to one and another. Okay, as you can see here, I have implemented 4 AI models in this BountyBot AI brain. Okay, you can see DeepSeek R1 here. I called it as strategist because it makes the AI attacking plan. Okay, after that I called Gemma 4 as an analyst, which will give me to analyze the scope of that program, and also finally it's going to write the reports. Now Mistral is a validator which will validate all the CVVS scores. CVVS scores I call it as the common vulnerability scoring system, which is we call it as high, low, and also we call this commonly we call this as severity. Okay, this is I've implemented because I want to increase the uh, I want to decrease the false positive results. So for that I have implemented this Mistral here. Okay, next one is Quant 2.5. Quant 2.5 I called it as the architect. Okay, which will write the POC of CVVS which has a Mistral is passed. Okay, POC is proof of concept. If you are a bug bounty hunter, you already know that. Okay, con is why I have chosen the con 2.0 is because we call this as the in real time we call this con 2.0 2.5 as the coder because it will write the code excellent code. Okay, although these are all not mandatory to use in this specifically project, I have used this to reduce my what we say reduce my time for the especially for this attack planning and scope. I will show you one excitement feature in this project. I will show you how exactly I fetch the directly from the program. The scope will be fetched from the hacker one or else bug crowd. Okay, you can, as you can see here, I have added the one more fascinating fantastic what I can say the feature. Okay, that is only one model loaded in a RAM at a time. At a time only one model will loaded. DeepSeek is loaded, all three are sleeping. Gemma 4 is loaded, all three are sleeping. Mistral is loaded, all three are sleeping. Quan is loaded if all three are sleeping. Okay, like this is the how this exactly AI brain works. Okay, after that how how it exactly works, it's like a workflow. Okay, you are going to enter the target URL. It's going to do the OSINet, all the emails, cloud assets, GitHub leaks, and showdown. Okay, after that phase 1.1 to 4, we have 1 to 4 phases here. Subdomain discovery, it's going to discover the subdomain, the target you have entered. Okay, after that scope filter, this is very important. Here the scope filter, this works as the main part of this program because it is not going to go out of scope for the whatever you have fetched first, like here means the scope which is fetched by the Gemma 4. Okay, let me show you the in that practically I'm going to demonstrate after this. Okay, let me concentrate here only. uh, web application firewall detection. After that, it's going to find the what exactly the web application firewall that is used by the target systems. Okay, next one, I'm going to cravel. Here cravel, I'm using the katana. Okay, katana is the best craveler in this whole world, that's why I'm using the katana tool. Okay, next you can see here that parallel swarm. I have 80 plus agents that can run at the time. Okay, in this project I have the 80 plus agents that can run at the time. Okay, after that I used the AI loop, which will review all the findings and also decides what the next step path. Here only I implemented the deep seek. Okay, means it will analyze all the review findings and it will find for next attack what should I do next. Okay, next one, it will chain all the bugs, means it's going to chain all the bugs. Next one, writes custom POC. I have said you right, quant 2.5. This will write all the custom POC, especially the coders. It will write the exploit. Okay, here output, finally you can download all the output and PDF, HTML and reports in the, and also you can get the all the alerts in your Discord channels, Slack or else Telegram alerts. You can do that. Okay, here one more thing I have missed in this, especially to add this in workflow. Okay, that is finally all the steps which are going to complete it, like output and all, it's going to generate all the reports. After that, it's going to learn what is exactly it is made mistake, where it is made mistake. Okay, that we call it as a self learning. Okay, I have added the all four models are going to self learn after that whole scan is completed. Okay, this is how exactly that works. Let's go to the practical side of this. I will give you the short, because I'm running out of the time. For that, I will give you short briefly explanation on and practical side of this BountyBot. Okay, listen. Okay, I will explain you how exactly this BountyBot practically how this works. Okay, here you can see that option 1, option A, option B, option C. In option A, you can enter your file path, which is going to include all the uh, program related details, like out of scope, in scope, and rules and regulations. All the things it's going to here. You want option 1, you can choose. Option B, you are going to enter all the, you're going to directly paste all the program details here. Okay, if you choose option B. If you choose option C, this is very craziest thing. Okay, it's going to fetch from the online directly. It's going to fetch from the online what is the out of scope, in scope, and also what is the program details and all. Okay, I will use the option C here. You can see here what happens and how this exactly works. Okay, let me take one program, that is I'm going to use that as a program, as a PayPal program. Okay, which is runs in hacker1. Okay, see here, I will choose hacker1. Okay, now you are going to enter the program name. Okay, I'm going to enter here PayPal, PAL. Okay, PayPal. Okay, let's see how it exactly fetches the data and all. Okay, you can see here there is no API required for using these things. Okay, there are 41 in on scope. Okay, you can choose your target, means you can choose your primary target. Okay, you can't that I'm not implemented that all the targets are going to shown here. Okay, in future versions I'm going to implement that, because in order to go back and come here again, like go back to the hacker, go back to the hacker one program and come back here. That's not going to happen in future. Okay, in future versions I'm going to release the future versions. In that future versions I'm going to display all the scope in here only. Okay, whichever you feels that you have to work on that target, you're going to choose that and you're going to move forward. Okay, let's move forward here. You can see here braintreeapi.com. Okay, I'm going to choose this one only as my primary target. For that I'm going to press S. Okay, here we have fetched that. Okay, here the Jamma 4 will again, it's going to again awake, and it's going to again what I can say, it's going to take all the scope and it is going to divide the rules, and it's going to analyze the whole things, and it's going to give me the results here, what are the actually out of scope and in scope results. Okay, you can see I will come back when it's done. Okay, as you see here, like it's waking up, means Jamma 4 is wake up and it's going to sleep. Okay, after that sleeping, it's going to fetch all the data and all the in scope and out of scope. You can see six are out of scope, 31 are in scope. Okay, here it shows that 41 are in scope, but here it shows that 31 are in scope. I think it's going to only fetch the web application or else domain or else other things. Okay, not the apps and also iOS apps. Okay, as you can see here, next one, authenticating scanning. Here it's optional because here we do the IDOR scan. Okay, IDOR. The IDOR is one of the highest paid bug bounty in the bug bounty programs. Okay, I'm going to skip here because username and email that is required here. And also next one, we are going to choose that what severity it has to find. It has to find the medium, high, and critical. It is a already default. Okay, here it is asking me. Here it is asking me that skip a recon phase or not. Yes or no. If you say no, it's going to it is not going to skip the recon. If you say yes, you have to provide the all the reconnaissance data about the target you have already have with yourself. Okay, I'm going to say it as a no. Means if I press enter here, it is going to take n as a default. Means what is the letter that is in capital, that's a default stays here. Okay, next one, scope file, which we have already fetched that in first phase. Okay, I'm going to say as all that as the defaults. Okay, these are all the scanners here. Okay, and there are number of scanners in this comes here. After that, you are going to manually what check for this. This is a special the what is exactly. Now I'm going to launch the scan. You can see here it's launch scan is launched. Okay, I will come up with the results. Okay, let's see how that exactly does. Okay, you can see here results, as you can see here notifier activates the Discord, and also Telegram alerts are already active. Okay, now you can see also dashboard, live dashboard to the what is exactly this is. Okay, let me show you once. Okay, you can see here that what is BountyBot actually doing here. Okay, what are the severity that is count here, what is the phases that is completed here. It is already it's going to give you live here only. Okay, let me shift to the BountyBot. Okay, if you come here, you can see that it's made the AI reconnaissance agents. Okay, it has found the how much, one S3 bucket, it is cloud bucket. Okay, and also it has found 375 subdomains. Okay, 375 subdomains total are two findings it is found. One is this one, another one is S3 bucket. Okay, after that it's going to save the results that is in this particular folders. Okay, and after that it's going to do the GitHub secret recons. Okay, what is the exactly the GitHub secrets that are already available for that particular target. Okay, you can see here that it's GitHub all the reconnaissance. It is also a reconnaissance which is found. You can see that GitHub leak exposed passwords, exposed API keys, exposed secret keys, exposed access tokens in this particular repositories. Okay, I'm skipping these all things. Okay, I'm going to come to next part here. Here I'm using these all tools. Okay, subfinder, HTTP for the live, for the nuclei, for the template, pub is for username enumeration, dalfox is for accesses. Next one is this one, GoWitness. This is used for what? This is used for screenshots. Okay, Katana for the travel, Go for the historical data. OpenAI is also from Python library. Okay, next one, it is started the recon agent. Okay, starting the full spectrum recon. You can see that it's found the 375. It is above only. Okay, you can see subfinder, it has came here. 50 subdomains are found. Okay, in that 50 there are 11 are very important, means these are the new ones. Okay, you have to concentrate on these. Okay, after that DNS enumerations. Okay, means the DNS zone transfer. What is the DNS actually is, how is the means it's going to find the name servers and all. As you can see here, name servers. Okay, after that it's going to hit the live host. Okay, using the HTTPX. Okay, you can see that, right? Let's see how many are live right now in this, especially the PayPal, which is right now we have said right to scan that. Okay, now it's doing the port scanning. Okay, I will stop here only. Okay, that's the BountyBot. Okay, if you want this tool, help me to hit 1K subscribers and I will drop it for you everyone, and even I will make a video of how to set up this whole bounty bot. Okay, subscribe to the channel, like, share. If you have your bug bounty partners, share with them this tool, and also tell them to subscribe to the channel, so that I can also grow and you can also grow. Okay, because I am telling you to subscribe because it took me a 25 plus days to develop this whole orchestra. Okay, for that I am asking you for a favor. Okay, well, see you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing, and also happy hacking. Okay, bye bye.